I'll give you a hint. Do you know what happens when you dissolve CO2 in water? So, a bit of chemistry for you. And the reason why CO2 is bad for you. And this is how you measure the amount of CO2 in your blood. This is what they use, right? When you're going for medical tests, they'll do this test. Do you know what that is? Well, what compounds have H's at the front? What are those? HNO3, H2SO4. No, these are acids. Yeah, you're right. So HNO3, nitric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, H2CO3, right? That's carbonic acid. And this is also why fizzy drinks are so bad for you. It's not really to do with it. Well, the sugar isn't great, but the reason why it doesn't matter if you can drink, the reason why people are like, oh, it's sugar-free Coke, it's fine. It's not. And that's because what makes things fizzy is carbon dioxide bubbling through, which makes carbonic acid. Carbonic acid lowers the pH of your body, and then your enzymes stop working. So that's why it's so bad. So this is why we need to clear CO2. And this is what happens if you have too much CO2 inside of you, is that your pH, your blood pH goes down, and then that starts to denature all your proteins, which obviously causes death. So that's actually called hyperacidosis when you get too much. So yeah, remember that carbonic acid, it's actually useful in chemistry as well. But anything that's got H at the start is going to be an acid of some sort. So obviously, if you write the H first, it's because it can dissociate. So yeah, that's why we have to clear CO2. That's why it's so important.